Hi, my name is Anupam Pandey. I am 31 years old and I worked with armed forces, and during my training back in 2018 I sustained an ACL injury. That was a very challenging phase for me mentally, as well as it required physical resilience. The surgery was inevitable because it was important for me to have full recovery and gain ultimate functionality. Since I am from Bhopal, I decided to get my treatment done in Bhopal itself. Dr.S.K. Gupta, because of his professionalism and sheer commitment towards his patient. I met him at Galaxy Hospital Bhopal. He treated me like his own son. S.K. Gupta is highly professional, and the amount of experience he has helped me from day one till the completion of my surgery. He has guided me in the correct way, which helped me to regain my strength and make my injury completely gone after the surgery. His hand is so good that the treatment was so smooth for me, and even after 7 years, that is 2025 right now, I am perfectly able to do all my training and physical activities that is required in my profession, and I totally recommend him for all the orthopedic knee and shoulder surgery in Bhopal.